Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simply CM, and today's anong araw today? Wednesday. Kakain tayo sa labas guys kasi kakain na tayo sa labas. Nakabili na naman si Martin ng blurred ba? Hindi. Okay, nakabili na naman si Martin ng ano ba nabili niya? Nakabili siya ng voucher online. So pupunta na naman kami sa favorite na restaurant niya. It's called Mess. Was it Mess or Miz?
Miz. M-E-C it said.
Mez restaurant. Ano siya guys? What kind of food is that there? Middle East food. Mga favorite niya yung ganun. And then nakabili siya ng voucher online. So yun, pupunta kami kasi nga makakamura kami. Normally pag pupunta ka doon walang voucher, nasa mga 300 ata per person. Wait lang, magsi-seatbelt. Okay, now I'm ready again. So normally nasa Sunny Sunshine. Anyway, normally nasa 300 per person pag walang voucher. Nakabili siya ng voucher, so nasa 150 crowns per person, tapos plus drink. Yung drink ko naman normally water lang. Si Martin cola talaga. So yun. So yung water nasa mga 30 crowns. Yung drink ni Martin maybe nasa 60. Ganyan. So nakakamura pa rin talaga. So doon kami papunta guys. And today is the first time na we went out. And it is 6 na ng gabi. Ngayon pa lang kami lumabas. Okay lang din naman yan. Kasi today has been a very busy day. Pero sa loob lang. Daming mga phone calls. Daming mga basta. Dami. And as you all know, oh, that's the inside of the bone. Maybe, okay. Guys, may camping bone dito guys na binibenta. Normally mahal talaga siya, pero itong bone na ito ay binibenta lang ng 4,000. So we're thinking na
Not buying that one.
We're not buying that one. Okay, so we're not buying that one, but titingnan natin kasi sobrang mura niya. 4,000 crowns lang siya. Pero that could have been a nice idea, but the one who own it is like, we don't like her. Why are you giving this to me?
Doesn't need it outside in a moment. Before I
fine.
go. Just gonna go print.
Okay.
You wanna come?
No. I'm gonna walk there. I'm gonna see the ano. Okay. Tingnan natin yung 4,000 na camping bone na binibenta. Kita ba sa loob? Ay, actually, malinis siya sa loob. It looks nice actually. Pero lang guys, yung may-ari nito is hindi ko talaga siya makita. I cannot open it. But anyway, malinis siya sa loob naman. It's just that puntahan natin si Martin sa opisina niya, be. Okay, mas clear ata dito. Pag dito ako nakastand. Okay kaya siya. Maliit. Pero I mean, may bed yan. May cabinet. May lutuan. May maliit na ref. I mean, for 4K, I think it's really good. Kaya lang may-ari niyan guys, medyo krong-krong ba. Inaaway niya lahat ng tao dito. Inaaway niya din si Martin. Anyway, bisina ni Martin Larsen. Ano pala ito guys? Parang colony office ba? Anyway, well, Martin is printing. I'm gonna sit down first. I'll try to serve myself. Adjust ko kayo. Pwede ba? There. Sarap. Yung alam yung sinasabi, hindi na ako iinom ng, I'm not gonna drink water. No, I'm not gonna drink soda anymore kasi I'm trying to lose weight. Hindi talaga kaya guys. Bahala kayo dyan. Basta ako na-enjoy ko to. Ganon. So yun nga, magaling si Martin na magaling siya maghanap ng mga voucher online guys. Kaya nakakain kami sa labas. Kasi nakakamura talaga pag ganun. Instead of pupunta doon na walang discount ba. Magaling siya maghanap ng discount. So, I think it's gonna be our 4th time being there. So sa 300 na yan, para siyang buffet na magpo-provide sila ng menu, tapos orderin mo lang, tapos na ba siya? Hindi pa. Anyway, magpo-provide sila ng menu, tapos mag-order ka kahit ano, tapos yung mabayaran mo is 300, but you just have to make sure na yung lahat ng orderin mo ay kakainin mo talaga, kasi pag hindi, may ano din, may penalty ba? Yung, palis na tayo. Yung penalty guys, parang sa isang plate, parang 49 crowns ata. So yun. So pag andun, careful din. Where is he? Martin. Yahain. My God, ang dami kong binibit-bit. Yabeldek. Oh Lord. Okay guys, kaya pala nagpunta siya doon guys kasi nga nag-rent siya nitong voucher. Kasi old style sila doon, hindi kailangan talaga may ganito daw. Ito sa sweet deal. Sino bang nasa Denmark dyan? Pag nasa Denmark ka, I don't know if it's also included in other countries, pero dito sa ano online niya, sweet deals, sweet deal na website, tapos doon may mga kahit ano, may mga food, may mga spa, may mga stay wherever, ganyan. So basta tingin lang doon kung ano yung parang ano discount. So nakita niya yan, actually binili niya pala yan. O seatbelt na muna, wait. Anyway, binili niya yan guys, mga 2 days ago pa pala. Pero ngayon na namin gagamitin. That's good. And then by Friday, ano tayo ngayon, Wednesday? Okay, so anyway, by tomorrow guys, busy tayo. May pupuntahan ako bukas, friend ko. And then by Friday, I need to go to the doctor. Magpapa-blood test tayo guys. Blood test. Kasi ano nga, I've been complaining na parang I feel so tired all the time, kahit pa okay yung tulog ko, I'm just feeling so exhausted, ganyan. So baka there's something wrong with me, kaya i-check nila dun sa dugo, baka low blood pressure lang, and then yeah, it could be low blood pressure, and then you just have to take a lot of iron, ganyan. But it's nice to know. So yon. So Martin, how are you today?
Hungry.
Very?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
What did you eat today?
Eat some bread in the morning.
Ah, yeah, that's actually right.
Did you actually eat the sweet bread I also made?
I eat 2 of those.
You ate both of them?
Yes, and then I also eat a pizza while you're sleeping. I was just so hungry, like my tummy is just hungry. So I'm like, okay, fuck this. I'm gonna eat everything. So I eat everything, and I'm gonna go out and eat again. That's apparently my life. And that's a good life. I think so. Shucks. Hindi kami makapasok dyan. So balik tayo. They're fixing the road, but I mean there's no warning, nothing, so we didn't know.
Oh, there is something standing, but I didn't notice it.
Oh. Anyway, it's so nice. Summer is back again. Kasi the other days it's been very cold, it's been raining, and everyone is like, oh my god, summer is ending. And now today is sunny sunshine again. It's very very nice actually. Very, very, very nice. So, yun. Sana makapag-video tayo guys when we're in the restaurant because it's like I hope there's not so much people kasi it's very awkward to actually have your camera on while eating and then people's gonna look.
There's
But
a lot of people. So loud.
today, but let's see nga, if there's not so much people, that means I will be videoing myself, but if there's a lot of people, then there's no video. Well, I'll take pictures of the food so you will see. Guys,
Oh, it was so nice. It was so yummy, delicious. It was just sarap, sarap, sarap.
no, guys, natapos na
Yes, it was.
yeah,
Don't tell me it was not sarap. It
Yeah.
was sarap.
No.
Lami, eh.
Amo. Oy, dong. Okay, natapos na din
Grabe,
kami.
oy.
Grabe dong, no? Okay, natapos na din kami kumain, guys. My God, hindi ako nag-video doon kasi ang daming tao nakakahiya. And then now, we're walking towards our car. It's so cold. Well,
It's not cold.
I feel very cold. I'm freezing. At hindi ako nagdala ng jacket kasi nga nung umalis kami ng bahay, it was like, oh, here pala. Nung umalis kami ng bahay, it was like sunny sunshine and oh my God, I'm freezing.
Oh, it was yummy.
Was it yummy?
It was yummy.
Good? I'm so full. Like, oh my God, I cannot breathe. Okay, where's our car? Right side.
Well, blinking.
Where? I can't see it.
Look.
I'm looking. Ah, okay, there. Oh my God. But anyway, guys, ang daming tao and I could see that everyone were actually using the vouchers.
Everyone.
Yeah, because if you go there nga without the voucher, I think it's very expensive.
It's a double.
Yeah, double the price. But if,
Look at it. It costs basically 500 today.
yeah, imagine if you
Actually,
don't have.
spot on 500.
Okay,
Because there's a little
extra.
when you buy with voucher.
Okay. Anyway.
And that is expensive enough.
No, what did you said?
You said, what did you say?
Yeah, what did you said?
What did you say? What was hurting on you?
My tummy, no.
Oh, tummy! Tummy, hot go and center of the bread tummy.
What?
You talked about tummy.
Yeah.
And I said, hot go and center of the bread tummy.
The what?
And center of the bread tummy.
The hot dog?
Go and center of the bread tummy.
No. No, you're watching the I Her video. I forgot her name.
I don't know, you showed it to me.
I forgot about it, but it's you who's like mentioning it all
Yeah,
the
it was
time.
you who said tummy and then I just said it.
Yeah. Tame, the hot dog is in the center of the bread, Tame. My tummy. But I'm telling you, she's very famous. Like in TikTok, and also she's being invited to a lot of interviews. But I forgot her name. But we know her as my Tommy. My Tommy.